Hello and welcome back to my channel. I got many of the requests. Can you do a video regarding Google Drive? Now, what is actually Google Drive? Google Drive is an application which will save all our data on the cloud basis. Now, as you have my computer in your computer, which you save the files or something like that, you make files and you save it in the computer. The same thing you can save it in the Google Drive also. It is efficient and it is safe. The reason why it is safe because all the data are stored in the Google Drive. That means if your computer crashes or if your computer does not respond properly, then you can access your file from any computer. Just you need is a Google ID. Now everyone has a Google ID, so you have to sign in with your account. And in order to access your drive, here you have to write down in the search box drive.google.com. Okay, so you can just write down drive.google.com, and if you press enter, your drive will be open. So whatever file you have saved in the drive will be seen over here in the Google Drive. Same to same as my computer, you can in the place you are keeping the files in my computer, the same to same you can upload it over here also. So in order to make first of all the new folder, you have to click over here in new, and in that you have to click on new folder that has to be created. So as you can see, if I click on new, then there is an option of new folder. So you can click over here and you can title a new folder name. For example, this is my first folder. So once you do it, a folder will be created. Okay. And then you can upload your file or you can save your file over here. So as you can see, my first folder has been created. If I double click it, then they will show you, okay, what are the things are in this folder. So what you can do over here, either you can create a new file over here only directly, such as Google Docs. If you have not seen my previous video, please see in the description box the link, and you can make a Google Docs. You can make a Google Sheet. You can make a Google Slide. You can make a Google Forms, and many more things you can do directly over here. Or otherwise, you can upload the file from your computer also. You can upload even the full folder from your computer. So for example, I'm uploading any one of the files. So I will click on that upload folder, upload the file, and then a pop-up will come and you can even select your file from here. So if I just show you how we can just select a file and upload it, so any of the file, whichever is there in your computer, you can just select that file and you can upload it over here. So once you upload it, it will start uploading, and in few time you can see that the file will be over here. So why it is beneficial? So suppose if you're going in any other computer or any other where, so you can just click on this, you can just enter your Google ID, and yes, you can get access of your file from any computer. Okay. So you don't have to worry, you have to bring pen drive in the school, or have to go and give this thing in the pen drive, or maybe something like that. You don't have to worry about that. It will always remain in the drive. If you want to share this folder, okay, so for example, okay, you want your friends or if you want your colleagues to add all these things in folder. So what you will do, you will click on this folder, but you will do the left click. Okay, so once you click it, there is an option of sharing this folder. So what will happen over here, the folder will be shared with multiple people. So if you just click on share, then they will give you an option, okay, how to which person you want to share this folder. So you can see that I can either add a specific group of the people. Okay, suppose I want to share this folder with any of my friend. Okay, so what they can do, the friend is living somewhere else, so he or she also can see the folder in their drive. So that what can happen, you can work, you can collaborate. You don't want the pen drive. Okay, chalo, what we were doing in the previous all things, we can just connect the pen drive and then we were giving that pen drive to that person. So there is no need to do. Here you can just enter the email address. Okay, you can enter the email address and you can just notify the people, okay, what you want to do. Now, once you enter the email address, please see that, okay, there is options of this. Now, what is these three options? Viewer means, okay, they can only see the folder, what are the contents on the folder, but they cannot edit anything or they cannot add anything. Commenter means, okay, they can view as well as they can comment. Okay, chalo, this folder is not proper, this is not proper, this is not proper. So something like that, they can comment. But editor means, okay, they can get the full rights. So they can upload the file in that folder. If they want, the second person can also upload the file, add the file, delete the file, whatever they can do, we can also do it. So you can share it in the three possible ways. So right now I'm keeping as editor and I will click on send button. The moment I click on send button, an email will be given to that person. Okay, I have shared a folder with you. Now in that folder, the files are there. So it will be very much useful for business person as well as the school persons, because if a school wants to get the file from the teachers, what they do, they tell them to bring a pen drive and then Obviously the admin staff will take the pen drive and then they will put it in the computer, and that all kind of things. So better you make a folder and you share it with your admin. So you can just tell like that, "Okay, I have," or you can just upload a file over there. Automatically a notification will be given to the admin, and they can also see which file you have uploaded, so they can do it. So that is the first beneficial thing. If you want to share via link, you can also share via link also. So that means only restrict to whatever people I have added. I will just copy this link and give it to that people. Whomsoever I have added, I will just give the link. They will click over here and then they can obviously get a view of this file. Or otherwise, I can keep it anyone with this link. But please take care. Anyone with this link means anyone which has this link can open your drive, or sorry, open your folder, the specific folder only. They cannot get access of your all the folders in the drive. Only the specific folder which you have shared, you will copy this link and give it to anyone in the world. If they have this link, they can just click and they can open up. Here also three options are there: viewer, commenter, and editor. Viewer means they can only see the folder, they cannot do anything. Commenter means they can comment, but they cannot do anything. Editor, yes, that is a very powerful tool which they can add the file, they can delete, or they can organize the file wherever they want. Okay, so this is the way drive is very much useful to make certain kind of things. Now inside the drive, suppose if you have uploaded a Word document, so you can see it is a docs. But if you want to change this to it to for an example, you want to change this into Google documentation. Right now it is a docs. You want to change in Google documentation, which comes in level 1 examination also. So what you can do, you can double click this and automatically it will open. So otherwise what you can do, you can just left click, and here also there is an option of open with. So you will open with Google Docs. So it will take a few time to convert this document into Google documentation. So when it is converted, then what you have to do, I will show it to you. You have to just click on here file. Okay, you can see over here it is written docs right now. So just click on file, and there is an option of save to Google documentation. So what you'll do, you'll click over here, then automatically your folder will be saved as Google documentation also. So from Word, it will be converted into Google Docs by itself. You don't have to do anything else. Okay, so if I just show it to you in the drive, now there will be two folders. Okay, one folder will be of, obviously I will just refresh it. Yes, you can see that one folder will be of Microsoft Word, and one folder will be of Google documentation. So like that you can convert any file. You can upload also any file. Here also you can make how many folders you want. You have to just click on plus, and here you have to make a folder. If you want to delete this file, so you have to do two-step process. One step, you have to click over here, and then there is option of remove. But that doesn't mean the file has been deleted. It is gone to the trash bin. Okay, now in trash bin it will be there for 30 days. After that automatically it will get deleted. But if you see in the bin, that file will be there. But if the in the trash bin also, if you delete, then it will be permanently deleted. Okay, then after you cannot recover the file. So please take care while deleting. And if you want to see that how many persons have shared a folder with me, so you can click over here, shared with me. So how many of them have shared the PDF file, or maybe some of them have shared the folder with me. All the things which is shared with you will be coming over here. So this is the way you can use Google Drive in a maximum way. You don't need anything else. The limited storage given over here is 15 GB for a normal user. But if you are a G Suite user, or you have buy the paid version, or you can even buy the storage, then it will be unlimited storage for you. So thank you so much, and I hope you like this video. Sorry for being in delay, but I hope you will subscribe and like my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.